Hello students, welcome to Student Panda classes. I am Mahidhar Sahu and I'll teach you trigonometry. See, trigonometry basically is formed of three different words: tri, gonia and metry. Tri stands for three, gonia stands for angles and metry stands for measurement. So basically triangle means it's the three angles measurement of a triangle. So in order to understand this concept a little better, let's take a point A. From this point A, we'll go down to straight to point B, then to point C, and we'll complete this triangle by joining A and C. So we get a right angle triangle with A, B and C. See, in these three angles A, B and C, B is the right angle and C is the measured angle theta. So why I have drawn a right angle triangle over here? The reason for that is in trigonometry we'll only study right angle triangles. I'll tell you how it is. See, whenever we draw a right angle triangle, these sides have a particular name, and which I'll tell to you. See, this A, B and C, there are three sides: AB, BC and AC. The side AC that we see over here is the longest side, and this side AC, which is the longest side, is called hypotenuse, and this is also the side which is opposite to the right angle. Hence, this is the hypotenuse. So for hypotenuse, we can understand this as the longest side or else the side which is opposite to the right angle. And one more side there is over here, that is BC, which is joined to this AC, and this side contains two different angles. One is the theta, the measured angle theta, and the other one is the right angle. The side which contains the measured angle theta and the right angle is called the base. Hence BC, the side BC becomes the base. And there's one more side, AB. See, this side AB is opposite to the measured angle theta and also contains the right angle, and this side which is opposite to the measured angle theta and contains the right angle is called the perpendicular. So we have understood that in a right angle triangle the three sides are hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. So there is also a theorem in mathematics which tells you the relation between these three, and that theorem is called as Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem tells you that h square is equal to p square plus b square. That means the hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square plus base square. Apart from this, let me also tell you one more thing. Over here, the hypotenuse will remain the same. For a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse will remain the same, but the base or the perpendicular can change. How? Because the base or the perpendicular is completely decided that whichever angle is the measured angle theta, right? Based on that, this perpendicular and base is decided. So whichever side contains the measured angle theta, that becomes the base, and the other one which is opposite to it becomes the perpendicular.